Hello guys, welcome to 6th part of Arduino tutorial. In this video we will be learning how to control the servo motor using potentiometer. Before that, make sure guys you have watched my previous tutorials on servo and potentiometer. For this tutorial you requires Arduino board, cable, potentiometer of any resistance value, servo motor, breadboard and jumpers. Coming to the connections. I'm taking the 5 volts and the ground common on the breadboard, because we need them to both the devices. The potentiometer signal pin I'm connecting to analog pin A0, and the servo signal pin I'm connecting to digital pin 7. Before writing the program we need to go through about the map function. First I'll show you the syntax. It is written as map, and inside the parenthesis we need to give 5 arguments. So the first argument is the value. It is the variable from which we get the input. From low from high other range of input device, and to low to high other range of output device. Using this graph. So in this tutorial we are using potentiometer as an input device, and using that we are controlling the servo. That means its output device. So the potentiometer range is from 0 to 1023. We are mapping these values to the output range, that is 0 to 180. That means to the servo value. Now I'll show you the procedure to using your programs. First we need to declare the potentiometer connected to A0. Before that we include the servo library. Next we are creating a servo object, and give it the name as S1. Inside the setup. First we made the pod as input. So pin mode, and inside the parenthesis A0, input. And next for the servo we have attach function. S1.attach of 7 because we have connected to pin 7. Coming to the loop section. We have to first read the values we are getting to the pot. To store that we need a variable. We will declare that as x, now x equal to analog read of. Because it's analog device. Now to use the map function. Write map of. Inside the parenthesis we have 5 arguments. So first one is the input value, that is x. Here we are getting the input. The pot to this variable x. So I mention the x first parameter. The second one is the starting range of the input device. So the POR range starts from 0. And the last range of potentiometer is 1023. The target device range is from 0 to 180. So 0, 180. So we need another variable to store the map value. I'm taking it as value. To rotate the servo motor, we have the right function. Inside the parenthesis we need to mention the position. In this case we're controlling the position through the potentiometer. So we are taking the output of the map function, which we have declared as value. So here we take it as value. That is the code. Now let's save and upload this. And this is how it works. As you rotate the pod accordingly, the servo staff will also rotate. By using this program you can do lot of robotic arm projects. That's it for today, and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.